All right, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use the crop tool. You might be familiar with it. It looks like this square, these two right corners that have gone in. And when I hover over any of the tools, they let me know what they are. So the crop tool allows me to trim, cut, and straighten a canvas by a free or a fixed aspect. So you'll see up here, it gives you a couple of options. We're going to focus on the constraints. So right now I'm in a free constraint, which means I can freely move any of these little bars that you see along the side to crop my photo in. And then when I hit enter, it's going to crop it. I'm going to hit Control Z to undo my crop. And the next way we're going to look at is a ratio aspect. So this is going to do this in a fixed aspect. So if I want a 1-to-1, let's say like for Instagram, because I want the square, I'm going to put in 1-to-1. But maybe I want a 1/2, where the width is half of the length or the length is twice of the width. Now let's say I wanted that to be horizontal, then I would do 2-to-1, and it would go like that and crop it. The third way that you can crop a picture is by size. So over here, you'll see where it says width and height again, and they do have some preset sizes for you. So if you wanted a square 1-to-1, a monitor, which most computer monitors are 4:3, and so on and so forth. There's wide, there's panorama, so you can pick some of these preset ones as well. And that's how you crop a photo.